Hey everybody, welcome back to Ogre Speed Shop. On this video, I'm just gonna kind of go into a little detail on how to hook up a relay and how they work. So stand by and enjoy the video. What is a relay? A relay is basically an electromagnet that is activated by a current to send current through from one circuit to another circuit. So basically it's a switch, and it's got an electromagnet that activates it. And I'm going to basically show you how to hook one up and how they work and how to basically set up a simple circuit with one. So let's get into it. All right, so I've drawn a basic diagram of what a relay circuit looks like. And I got a 5-pole relay here that I'm going to show. I'm just going to talk about the 4 poles first, the 4 main ones. So we're not going to talk about this middle one, the 87A yet. So basically what this relay does is it acts as a switch that allows current to go from this pole to this pole. So from main battery power to a device you want to power, either be a fan, a fuel pump, lights, a lockup converter, whatever you need to actually operate. So, and the way it works is it has another circuit in it, and this is where the electromagnet comes into play. And you have current on this side and a ground on one side. So you have power on one side, ground on the other side. And when this is switched on, it closes this switch right here and activates it to where this switch turns and puts power between pin 30 and pin 87 on this relay. This is what these relays look like. So as you can see, it's pin 30 there at the bottom, pin 87. So pin 30 is your power from main battery, and you usually want to have that fused or have a circuit breaker on it. And then pin 87 goes out to whatever device you're working on powering. And then this circuit here is just your basically ignition switched and then ground. So I'm going to basically show you how to do that with an example using some lights and relays and a couple of switches. All right, so here we have a real simple circuit using a relay to light a light bulb. So basically the way it works, and the way I talked about in the drawing, you have pin 30 here, which is your main power, and it's fused, and it goes directly to battery power. So it's 12 volt constant, and that way you always have that power there. Pin 87 here, that's your device, whatever you're going to plan on lighting up or powering, that's what that is. And the reason why they're separate, they're across from each other there, is it's a switch. So basically you're putting power, you have power here, and you're switching this relay over to where it connects the red wire to the blue wire to power your device. And the way that works is you're using the 12 volt switch on pin 86 here to complete a circuit to pin 85, which is your ground. So your typical circuit, power to ground. And that's basically how that relay works. So when you turn it on, I got a switch here, which is, the way I'm showing using 12 volt switch. You switch that over. If you listen, you can hear that relay click. And then you close it, or open it, I should say. So you switch it over, so you turn it on, turn it off. So when I hit that switch, the power from this side is connecting to this side, which is connecting an electromagnet inside here, and flipping that switch over to where we're putting power from pin 30 to pin 87 and lighten your circuit. Turn it off, and it works the same way. So that's basically all there is to a relay. You're just taking one circuit right here and activating electromagnet, which turns a switch to close the circuit to allow your voltage to go from your battery power to whatever you're lighting up. All right, so that concludes this video on basically how a relay works. I hope it helped out some people that had questions about relays. Hope I didn't make myself look too stupid trying to do it. It really is a pretty simple circuit, and I try to explain it the best I could in my words, and I hope it worked out and helped you out. So if you did like this video, go ahead and leave a like down there, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what I can do better. And I appreciate you being here, and until next time, I'll see y'all later.